Una go dey wonder why they look like this. How many of them get mouth odor for us? So many people for Nigeria get mouth odor. Mouth odor sometimes they caused by stress, or when you oversleep finish, as you sleep finish, just wake up. They cause mouth odor. So many things they cause mouth odor. That be my next question. Still on the street yarns. Wazobia TV, MC Shaggy, make you not touch the dial. The question be say, if you dey for this life, you dey with your woman, if you kiss person when you get mouth odor, if they give you money, whether if you kiss anybody when you get mouth odor, make we enter street to find out yes or no whether if you do it. As una dey like this, they put money for ground. Una fit kiss person with mouth odor?
No.
Person wey get mouth odor?
No.
Even though they put 1 million?
No.
When I not talk well, no. Not be say one person.
No.
Okay, you don't talk to which happen.
I hear you now.
You go do am.
I hear you. I don't know what you mean now.
If you kiss person with mouth odor?
No.
Why? Even though they put 1 million?
No.
Okay, you no fit do am.
At all.
Mama!
I fit kill am.
Hey! Mama say wetin?
I fit kill am.
You fit kill am? You go kiss am?
I go kiss am.
Mama say you go kiss am. Even old woman said need kiss. If you kiss person with mouth odor?
Why not? I go take kiss person with mouth odor.
You no fit?
I no fit too.
Even though they put money 1 million?
1 million, okay. As per say the money don't dey involved now, I go do am now.
You go do am?
Why not?
So I collect the money. What if you kiss her, you can't get virus disease?
God forbid.
Yeah, still on the matter. Wazobia TV, not touch the dial. This one another wonderful edition. Don't touch the. If you touch the dial, if you kiss person with mouth odor, that be the question. Wazobia TV, still on the street yarns with MC Shaggy. We see the waka. You don't get boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Which one you get? Man friend?
I don't.
Which one you can't get? Are you supposed to get one?
I don't have any. Why you not get any? I don't want to have.
Yeah, like now, for example, you have. Can you kiss somebody even though they give you money? If you kiss her with mouth odor?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend with mouth odor?
No, I can't.
You can't?
No,
you
I
must brush, Abby?
Yeah.
You must brush?
Yes.
Brush properly?
Yeah.
I can't see. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Still on the street, yeah. Okay, if you kiss person with mouth odor?
For my life, I don't fit.
Why?
I don't go fit do a like mouth odor. I hate that. Die.
You hate that guy? But you're not bad now.
Mouth odor.
You're not bad now.
I don't want to.
Very, very bad though.
So they put money there, you see the 1 million.
It can cause Ebola.
It can cause Ebola?
Yes.
I know you know how much of the cause Ebola. Nigeria not trying to cause Ebola. If you did now open your clear eye, the mouth odor when they come out, you say the mouth they smell well. Even though they give you money safe, if you kiss your babe.
Yes, now.
If you kiss her.
Yes.
Yeah, confirm that. Still on the street here, Wazobia TV, not touch it there. My name is MC Shaggy. Post you enter the street with the waka the locator. Egbo Afa now. Afa. May I ask you one question? Afa. As you dey like this now, if you kiss person when get mouth odor, if they give you money?
I don't know.
Person when get mouth odor, you no fit kiss her?
No, I fit kiss her if I collect see money.
If you see money, you go kiss her. You don't mind the odor, abi? If you kiss person when get mouth odor?
No, na peck I go peck am.
You go just peck her.
I go just peck am.
If you kiss person when get mouth odor?
No, I no fit kiss her.
If they give you 1 million, you no fit kiss her?
If they give me 3 million, God, I no fit kiss her.
Why?
For life.
Why you no fit kiss person when get mouth odor?
You go to swear now. I be go to swear anyhow.
You go smell it?
No fit kiss her.
I don't make kiss am.
You no fit kiss her?
I don't make kiss am.
You no fit kiss her?
I don't make kiss am.
Alright. Till next edition, my name is MC Shaggy. Not touch the die. Street yarns, that be the street yarns. Wazobia TV. Street. If you touch the die, street yarns. Till next edition. Oh, feel it. Don't touch the die.